ब्रह्माणि विकल्प्यन्ते सुषुप्तये समुच्चितानि वैकार्यात् विकल्प्यन्ते यवादिवत् समुच्चितानि नाडीभिः उपसृप्य पुरीतति वृत्ते ब्रह्मणि यात्यैक्यम् विकल्पे त्वष्टदोषता
सुषुप्तये नाड़ी पुरीतत् ब्रह्माणि विकल्प्यन्ते समुचितानि वा एकार्थात् विकल्प्यन्ते यवादिवत्. Then add Nadi Puritat Brahmani, second line. Add this from the first verse. Nadi Puritat Brahmani Samuchitani. Stop. Nadi bhi upasapya puritati vriste brahmani aikyam yati. Nadi bhi upasapya puritati vriste brahmani aikyam yati. Vikalpe tu ashtadoshata. Vikalpe tu ashtadoshata. Doubt is like this. Sushupta, Jiva sleeps or not?
Yes.
Sure, no? Don't sleep here, okay. So Jiva sleeps, okay. Question is, where does he sleep? Does he sleep in nadis, nerves? Does he sleep in the body? Does he sleep in the Brahma? Or he sleeps alternately. Sometimes nadi, sometimes sharira, puritata, sometimes Brahma. Where does he sleep? Why? Enough Shruti statements are there to create confusion. So all are justified by the Shruti statement. So that's why doubt is there. Says Sushuptaye for sleep, nadi, nerves, puritat, sharira veshtana, hridaya veshtana, sharira, say Brahma are vikalpante. Are they optional, alternative? Means Jiva can decide. Well, today let me go to Brahma only. Yesterday I went Brahma, today let me go to Nadi. Other day let me go to sleep where? In the Sharira. Is it at the option of this? So Vikalpante, are they alternative, optional? Va or Samuchitani. All three have to be made use to go to sleep. All the three are required to go to sleep. This is the doubt. Purapaksha says, Ekarthatva. Ekarthatva means Eka Prayojanatva. All these three are meant for one and the same purpose. What is that purpose? To sleep. So that means Nadi is meant for sleeping, Puritata is meant for sleeping, Brahma also is working. Therefore, they are independent. For example, so how? Yavadiva. Yava, so that is wheat, barley, rice, all are meant for eating. Today you can make pulao rice. Tomorrow you can make what? What is that? Lapsi of wheat. Day after tomorrow you can make something, rotis of what? Jwar or something. So that's all. They are meant for, but all will appease your hunger and give you nutrition. So you can choose what you want as well. Okay. So therefore, Yavadeva aikartha vikalpante. Vikalpante means are optional. They can be taken alternatively. They are optional. Whatever jiva wants to take to can take and sleep. So that is it. Nadi he can make use, or Puritata Sharira he can make use, or Brahma he can make use. This is the Pura Paksha. Siddhanta says, no sir, it is not possible. Why? All these three, Nadi, Puritat, Brahmani, Samuchitani, are together used for sleep. There is a definite mode of going to sleep. There is a definite mode of going to sleep, and finally it is in Brahma. And to go to Brahma, these are the routes. Nadi bhi upasrapya. Jiva upasrapya means having emerged from. Nadi bhi having come out of the nadi, emerged from, having come out of the nadi. Uritati, Christe, in the Hridayavarana, Uritata Sharira, Brahmani, Aikyam Yati, becomes one with Brahma, means finally reposes where? In Brahma. But Nadi is Nadi and Puritata are the dwaras from where it reaches where, Jiva reaches where? In Brahma, and there he reposes. Aikyam Yati. Vikalpe, if you take the alternative, what is that? Independently Nadi, independently Purita, independently Sharira, independently of one another, without the necessity of other. Say, to Ashtadoshata, you will land in 8 defects. What are these 8 defects? We'll just see the types of defects. Number 1, I'm not giving 8 as such, but varieties. Prapta Pramanya Tyagaha. Shruti Prapta Pramanya Tyaga. Whatever that is stated by Shruti as the valid means of knowledge, you will be abandoning. Aprapta Pramanya Svikara. Whatever that is told by the thing which is not Pramana, you will accept. Defect. Tyakta Pramanya Svikara. Pramana, status of Pramana which you have discarded, that you will accept. Svikrita Apramanya Parityaga. Svikrita Apramanya Parityaga. Whatever you have accepted this as not Pramana, say what is that? You will give up means again you will accept as the Pramana. Prapta Pramanya Tyaga. These are the varieties of word dosha. Prapta Pramanya Tyaga, Aprapta Pramanya Svikara, Tyakta Pramanya Svikara, Svikrita Apramanya Parityaga. With these 4 types of defects with respect to Nadi, Purita and Brahma, with permutation combination happen to be 8. Let us not break our head for that. This much is enough. These 4 varieties of dosha with respect to Nadi, Puritata and Brahma, with different types of connection, permutation, combination, 8 defects you are going to land in. Therefore, other thing cannot be. You cannot give up the Pramanya, Shruti, etc. Tadabhavaha Nadishu Tatskutehe Atmanicca. Tadabhavaha, under this Anvaya, Nadishu Atmanicca, add Bhavati. Now, Tatskutehe. Tadabhavaha. tasya prakritasya swapna darshanasya abhava. Absence of dream which was under discussion. State wherein Jagrati is gone. But what is there? Swapna, to show the sleep state. So, Jagrati is dismissed. Now Swapna was there. That tasya, prakritasya, the Swapna which is being discussed, Swapna darshan, abhavaha. What is it? Arthat sushuptam. Namely, it is what? Sleep. So, tadabhava stands for sleep. Where is the location for that? Nadishu. In the nadi. Again, atmani. Nadishu. Nadishu and atmani. Cha for conjunction. Which includes puritata also. Puritata also. So, to refute vikalpa. What is that? Independently. Cha means both. Both include the third, puritata also as well. So why? To show that it is not in either of the three. So that's it. Nadishu atmani cha bhavati. Cha bhavati. How do you say so? Tat shruti. Shruti accordingly states. Shruti states that sleep is in all these three. How exactly will be seen? So, but all these three are necessary. One independent of the other two cannot be the sthana for sleep. No, cannot be sthana for sleep. So that is what the sutra means. It is like this. Togetherness of nadi puritat brahma. Pradhanyataha brahma gaunataya nadi puritat. Why nadi puritat? Root. Through the root of nadi and purisat, we have to reach Brahma. Final repose is where? In Brahma. So that way we have to take two. Iti Sutra Ataha Prabodha Asma. Yes. Ataha. For this reason. What is the reason? Because Paramatma, Brahma only is the main place of sleep of Jiva. Yataha Ataha. Yasma Ataha means Tasma. What is the Yasma? Because it says Yataha Paramatma eva Pradhanataya Sushupti Sthanam. Ataha. Therefore, because Paramatma eva pradhanataya mainly sushupta sthanam, sushupti sthanam. So because Paramatma only is the main place of sleep, therefore ataha, yataha means etat karana, because of reason. Asmat, asmat means Paramatmanaha, asmat means Paramatma, and jivasya. Asmat Paramatmanaha and Jivasya Prabodha. Prabodha means Utthanam, waking up. Utthanam, waking up. So, this is what is told where? In the Shruti it is told. So therefore there is no doubt that Jiva wakes up from where? Brahma. Take action. Waking up of Jiva is also from Brahma Atma. Waking up of Jiva is also from Brahma Atma. This also proves, continue, this also proves that Brahma is the Sushupti Sthana of Jiva. This also proves that Brahma is the Sushupti Sthana of Jiva. Sutra 8 ends.